Is it hard to predict your chances of ranking in search engines? To help solve this problem, digital marketers usually rely on a matrix called as keyword difficulty. I'll try to explain what keyword difficulty actually is. Keyword difficulty is an SEO metric used to find out how difficult it would be to rank a particular key phrase on top of Google. Different SEO tools apply different methodologies to predict the keyword difficulty. Now, why as a digital marketer you should worry about keyword difficulty? This is because it helps you to assess your chances for ranking a particular key phrase and the efforts it's going to take you to rank it on the top of Google. A keyword with low difficulty would be easier to rank rather than a keyword with more difficulty. Now we are going to discuss the factors which would actually define the difficulty matrix for a particular key phrase. One of the major factors which determines keyword difficulty is the number of quality backlinks you'll need to rank that keyword on top of Google. Second factor is authority of your competitors. If you have a website with high DA, you'll have a better chance at ranking for keywords of more difficulty. The same works on the other side of the spectrum too. The lower the DA, which is domain authority, the harder it will be to rank for high difficulty keywords. Third factor while considering keyword difficulty is users' intent. Google puts a strong emphasis on searchers' intent factor. It's a vital component of keyword difficulty. Fourth factor is quality of the content on the website. As Google is smarter than ever before, its algorithm is very successful in detecting websites with exceptional quality of content. That said, it's no wonder why content quality is a driving factor for keyword difficulty. It might sound a bit confusing for beginners in terms of digital marketers, and in case you're looking for any help in relation to keyword research or what sort of keywords you should be targeting, please feel free to get in touch with us. You can always reach out to us through our website. Humble request to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.